Look at that. Half off, $1.50 per bottle. Guy Fieri BBQ Sauce. And we're gonna do it right in the Camp Chef Smoke Pro Pellet Grill. These are the best wings I've ever had in my life, not because I made them, but because of the way they were prepared. They were brined, and we used the Guy Fieri BBQ Sauce, and we even shared it with the neighbors. So come follow the adventure. Let there be smoke. This was an amazing deal. I picked up all 6 different varieties. $1.50 can't go wrong. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this right in the Camp Chef Smoke Pro Pellet Grill. And we're gonna be using the amazing product smoking tube. We don't pellet grill without them. We need that extra smoke, and those amazing products does the trick. So we have the chicken wings brined, taking them out, we rinsed them off, and we're patting them dry with some paper towels. We're putting it inside the pellet grill, preheated to 425 degrees. We're gonna do about 20 minutes on each side until they're brown and crispy. No oil, no seasoning, no nothing. We're just using the natural juices from the chicken and the chicken fat from the skin to make it to brown themselves. We're gonna make sure we're at the proper internal temperature. We're gonna lower the grill now to 250 degrees. Anytime you garnish anything, such as barbecue sauce and wet mop, you want to be below 300 degrees. So 250 is a safe mopping temperature. We're starting to garnish with the barbecue sauce. It's not going to burn any of the sugar, and we're going to start baking that barbecue sauce onto these chicken wings. So here's round 2. We're painting it on there like Picasso, creating a masterpiece with the barbecue brush. Look at the coating that we're building up on this. Low and slow. That's how we roll. Round 3, and we're turning them over. Helpful little hint, we use the whole piece of chicken. We don't cut the little flappers off. We don't take the little drumettes. We want all that juice to stay in there. And we're stacking it now on top of each other, making a big pile because we're baking in that root beer flavored Guy Fieri barbecue sauce in the Camp Chef Smoke Pro Pellet Grill. Look at that amazing product smoking tube doing its thing there. It's like the Energizer Bunny, keeps going. Putting another layer. Look at the color. Look at that crust. It's not burnt. That's baked in root beer barbecue garnishing wet mop sauce from Guy Fieri. Look how perfect that is. These were the best wings I've ever had in my life. They were brined, they were juicy, and they were crunchy on the outside, but also covered with the barbecue sauce that was baked in there with wood pellets. That amazing smoking tube is still doing it. That's a masterpiece. Time to visit the neighbors. Yeah, they were watching us cook and smoke. We got great neighbors. So we're gonna share the wealth.
My friend Al happened to bring me over these beautiful wings and a Yingling black and tan.
Taste, enjoy it,
Good, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Thanks a lot. Very nice.
Complaining is cold.
I'm expecting this thing to be on fire. I saw you stand
No,
by
I'm
the
cleaning up
grill.
the grill. I'm cleaning it up.
That's why.